home to a vibrant culture and a myriad of beauty. Bali, the island of gods. Bali, one of the most popular islands in Indonesia, owns a stunning tropical paradise renowned for its abundant scape of nature and distinctive culture. Situated in the tropical area, Bali is graced with warm and balmy climate all year round, making it a dream island to visit. This island is home of exotic beaches and breathtaking views. Every bit of the island is mesmerizing. Bali's southern peninsula is famous for its pristine gorgeous beaches, featuring the idyllic white sands, sparkling blue waters, and vast cliff sides. It is an incredible place to experience the indescribable sunset and relax in real tropical flair. Described as the land of 1,000 temples, Bali's spirituality is palpable that put the heart and soul of the island on display. With impeccable architecture and scenic backdrops, Bali temples are a heaven to immense tranquility. Balinese philosophy for life, Trihita Karana, brings harmonious living that fascinates people around the world. It is the harmony of life between human and God, human and nature, and relationship among human beings. A short trip Central and North Bali are a great escape for breathtaking natural beauty with cooler temperature and cultural wonders. Scenic views of the alluring rice terraces and Bali's cascading waterfalls are soothing natural treasures. Mountains and volcanoes stand tall, conquering the landscape. Black sand along the eastern to the northern coastline of Bali gives a unique look and feel, making it a great place to unwind at the end of the day. Balinese art serves as the cornerstones of the island's culture. Inherited from generation to generation, Balinese dance goes far beyond imagination. Graceful hand, finger movement, and eyes wide open will leave a profound and lasting impression. No other place in the world can hold a candle to the lush landscapes, warm beaches, and rich cultures of Bali. Every kind of natural beauty, Bali is a place to be felt and experienced.